First, fit the storage handles into position on both sides of the cassette. Then lower the mower close to the ground without touching it. Next, remove the height pins and lower the cassette using the jack handles. After, remove the jack pins and rest the cassette on its storage legs. Then raise the mower fully and drive clear of the cassette, and reverse over the new cassette and lower to just above pin height. Wind down the jack handles and refit the jack pins. Then raise to the required cutting height and secure the pins. Lock the cassette in place and stow the jack handles. Finally, return the storage handles to the operating position. Now you're ready to go.